returning back to my channel. My name is Mimi Carvel. For those that are new, thank you for tuning in to the M Game fam. Today's video is going to be on Outre's new unit. Where's the stock card? Okay, Outre's new unit, melted hairline, which is KAMIYAH or KAMIYAH, so you can pronounce her either way. But before we even begin, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can stay around for the end game fan and stick around with the M team, and make sure you click that notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. All right, now we can get started. All right, so again, we are reviewing Outre's melted hairline, KAMIYAH or KAMIYAH. I think for me, I'll pronounce it KAMIYAH. KAMIYAH? I like KAMIYAH, okay? So whatever you guys pronounce it is up to you, but KAMIYAH. And I have her in the color DRFF4 Hazelnut Honey. And this is the stock card right here. Super gorgeous. I love this color. I am so shocked I didn't get that color. I was like, man, I've been doing so much copper. And this is inside of the stock card. Oh, she's slaying all of these colors right here. And in the back, you can see the color content of all the colors that they do come in. That's not pretty much all the colors. Those are all the special colors that they do come in. So this is the unit right here. Let me take this hairnet off. And look at this. Oh my gosh, Miss KAMIYAH, whatever her name is so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh, super gorgeous, super gorgeous. Like, look at this, look at the hair. Oh my gosh, pre-plucked. What? Look at that, super freaking gorgeous. So Miss KAMIYAH is from the new line that just actually she just came out, and pretty much like from the look of this unit, I just love it so much. She's super gorgeous, very pretty. Let me show you the wave pattern and the color. Super gorgeous, so beautiful. All right, so the cap construction of this unit comes with, let's show you guys, 2 combs in the front. We have 1 in the back, and it has an elastic band. Elastic band is good for me because it gives me security, because you guys know I have short hair, and you know, like, I don't want this thing to be slipping and sliding all over the place. So it will give me so much security, which I do love and adore about this unit here. It's not like adjustable, like I'm not sure if you guys ever seen the one that's adjustable, but I think this is enough for smaller size and a bigger size head. And if it's too big for you, you guys could just, you know, tie it or wrap it around. But yeah, so Miss KAMIYAH here is so freaking pretty. Like, I just love and adore her, and I'm so excited that I got this unit. The texture here is a light yaki texture. From the look of it, it's a light yaki texture, and you can feel it. You can feel the yakiness to it, but it's silky, like it's soft. That's the word that I'm looking for. It is soft. It is amazing. Like, I don't think you understand. You guys have to witness this for yourself. Like, she is soft. I am loving it. Oh, and I am experienced shedding off the bat without me cutting the lace, so I can't even blame that on the lace. So I am experiencing a little bit of shedding. Ooh, look, boom. She is shedding, Outre. She is shedding, but you know, you guys, I ain't gonna judge that off the bat. But yeah, so let's get into the length right here. This length, it looks like it can be I think about like 18-inch. I have to try it on to see how long this unit is. So let's go ahead and do that part right now. Okay. Ooh, what? Yo, this lace is excessive. Outre, what are you guys doing? This is ODing on the lace, you guys. Like, no, this is excessive. I ain't gonna much lie to you. This is excessive. All right, so the lace, this is just extra lace just to be wasted for no freaking reason. Like, look. This is too much. So let's just flip this up. But look, you guys, like, she is super gorgeous. She's so pretty, and the lace is thin. It's not thick. It's a Swiss lace, you can feel to the touch, and it's super soft. I love the way the texture feels on the lacing. It's not hard or rugged, it's nice and soft. So it creates a nice meltdown when you do melt this unit down or spray it down with, like, you know, your glue or whatever your spray. It will melt down to the T, like to the skin. Let me zoom in here. Like, look at that, pre-plucked, super freaking gorgeous. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, of course you guys know that I am not a pro of cutting these laces on camera, so I'm gonna cut it off camera. I'm gonna spray my tint spray and just stay tuned and watch what I'm gonna do to this unit. Not much, just a little bit, just a little something something. So see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. I must say I am in love with this color. This color is perfect for fall. Like, that's one thing I can say about Outre. Outre, when it comes to those colors, they know how to blend these colors so well with these units. Like, this unit is so soft to the touch. You guys just don't understand. So freaking soft to the touch. So let me get to the pros and cons and some of the specs about this unit. This unit has an ear-to-ear lace, and also it has like a flap, like I guess like sideburns that you can use, which I didn't know, because this is my second time using this like line from this brand, and it has like these sideburns. Like, I didn't really glue it down, but like you can see here, like you can use that as sideburns, which is awesome. Like, you can take some hair and put it back, and I think that is so cute. Like, I did not apply any baby hairs. I kept it natural, you guys. You guys know I was tempting to put some baby hairs on this unit, but I really, you know, kept it natural because I think this is a perfect look for it to be natural. Like, you don't have to do too much, and I didn't really do nothing. I just pretty much used my freeze blast spray, moosed it down a little bit, put you know, used some heat to the top just to flatten it. I didn't really need to, but that's just me. I'm just a little bit extra. I think this is beginner friendly because you don't have to do much to melt down this unit. That's one of the reasons why I think that the lace is really thin. I think it's real transparent. With the lacing, I will say that it was a little white, so I did have to go in and spray it with my tint lace, which is Even New York, where I just had to spray it a little bit just to get it down to my complexion because it was on the ashier side. This unit is heat safe. It can take up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It is pre-plucked, and it does have a HD transparent lace. I think the HD transparent lace is realistic, but it's just because of the fact that it's just white. You might have to tone it down a bit, but I am in love with this color. Like this unit here, I give this a solid, from a scale of 1 to 10, I give this unit, I ain't finna lie, I give this unit a 8, a 8.5. An 8 or 8.5, because of the reason why I have been experiencing a lot of shedding. So I'm not sure if any other YouTuber have been experiencing the same thing as me. Look at all this hair. Like I've been experiencing a lot of shedding. I'm not sure if it's the color, but I'm just not sure what it is at all. A lot of shedding, and they had a few flyaways which I sprayed down with my Freeze Blast spray, which was fine. I just love the luster. It's not too shiny, it's not too much on the dark side. It's real natural, realistically. The sideburns, I love the little layers they have here. It's so pretty, super gorgeous. I love the volume, the density. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. Like look at this, so smooth. Oh my god, super gorgeous. This is actually my second time trying their melted lace. The first time I tried it, I'll put the link up above. The unit was Sabrina, and it was a shorter bob version, but it was super cute. I really did love that unit. I also want to try Catalina, and I think it's Natalia. I've seen some great reviews on those units, and I am just dying to try those units, even though I feel like I'm a little too late because they came out like last season, which was last year, and I feel like I'm right in the nick of time because we're in fall. So I think we're right on schedule. I might be a little late, whatever. You guys might see, you know, other people's reviews, but you guys didn't see my review. So that's that's about it for that part. But yeah, I feel like this unit here is, you know, I really do love this unit. It's just the shedding is one of the main things that I'll say that will not give me a 10 on this unit. This unit could have been a 10, but unfortunately it is not. So this unit gives me up into like under my boobage area. Tell me your thoughts about this color. Like let's get into it. Super soft. Let me go ahead and give you guys a 360. So of course this is the front of the unit, the side, and this is the back. So soft. Okay, and we're right back at it in the front. So I don't think I mentioned where I purchased this unit. I brought this unit off of wigtypes.com. I did purchase this unit for about $40. They do have an upcharge for this color. Unfortunately, you know, they don't play, Outre do not play about, you know, their units. They do either have a $3 to $4 upcharge, but I don't think it was too much on their site. But you can check other sites as well. You know, Elevated Styles had this brand, but I you know, pretty much am comfortable of shopping with wig type, so I did purchase that unit there. But after that, I really don't have no cons about this unit. Of course, scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a solid 8. And yeah, just tell me your thoughts down below. Tell me what you think about this unit. Tell me what color would you get this unit, and have you guys already purchased it? Is it already coming in the mail? Because I know I was excited when I see that box earlier today. I was like, you know, I got to review this. Okay, I got to review this. But I think that is about it for this review. Hopefully you guys like this review. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy units like these or reviews like these. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and click that notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. And don't forget to follow my social media platform on Instagram, which is Mimi Carvel Beauty. I do have 2 channels, so make sure you follow the one with the beauty. And yeah, I think that is about it for this review. And thank you guys for watching. Love you. Mwah. Bye. See you soon.